Hello everyone, today we're going to create a winter scenery decor using one wood slice. Okay, so you'll need one wood slice. I actually picked this up at my local Dollar Tree. You'll need some winter greenery. I'll be using a mini truck and a mini camper. And I believe I picked these up at Walmart. I'll be using white acrylic paint, and I found this spray glue at Dollar Tree. I'll also be using some faux snow. You'll also need some hot glue or any other adhesive will work. You also need scissors and a paintbrush. Okay, so we're going to start off with removing any rope or twine if your wood slice came with it. If not, you can skip this, but if it did, we're going to go ahead and remove that from the wood slice. Okay, so next what we're going to do is take our paintbrush and we're going to begin to apply some of our acrylic paint onto our wood slice. I went ahead and I applied one coat of my acrylic paint onto my wood slice. Be sure that your wood slice is completely dry before we move on to the next step. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the winter greenery. So what I did here was I just took my hot glue and I went ahead and I applied a small amount onto the wood. And then I just added my winter greenery on top of the hot glue. Okay, so now you're ready to apply your adhesive. I'm using the spray glue, so I just went ahead and I took my glue and I sprayed it over the painted surface on my wood. Next, you'll take your faux snow and sprinkle that over the glue. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the truck and the camper. So for this, I just used some hot glue to attach these on my wood slice. I would suggest trying to use something like E6000 or just another heavy-duty adhesive. I did notice that the hot glue did not work as well as I thought it would. Once you have attached your truck and your camper, your winter scenery is now complete. Thank you so much for stopping by and creating with me. I'll see you soon.